The way I see it, we've got summer ahead now, so we need to get ahead in the game around this sort of barbecue stuff.
Yeah.
And our mates at M&S have bought us some new bits from their grill range.
Yeah.
Yes.
In front of us, we've got British chicken flatties in a coffee barbecue sauce, Master Grill Wagyu hot links beef and pork smoked sausages, and we've got king prawn skewers with andouille marinade. M&S have made it super easy to get all that flavour in as they come pre-marinated.
It smells insane.
You know, with the flatties, this coffee barbecue sauce, that's something I've never experienced before.
But it works really well, and especially in that sort of almost kind of barbecue glaze.
Barbecue. It's about punchy flavour, it's about smokiness, it's about heat, it's about spice.
What's your favourite, Paul?
That's definitely the best beef sausage, or like a sausage with, you know, that amount of beef in it that I've had. I think that's amazing. Can I go in for another sausage?
Absolutely, mate.
Paul Ainsworth, everyone! Yay!